Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are welding on the old Airstream Bobby Sue. We're gonna jump right inside and take a look at what we're welding. We're trying to finish up some of the cross members, and I bought some steel today. We're also gonna show you that. So let's take a look at what we got. None of the welding on this project would be possible without this generator here. It allows us to have power source really close by to the camper, and it powers the little 110 welder just perfectly. Going on here. Here's some of the steel that I picked up today, as well as the 5th cross member. We had to pick up one more. I had 4 custom made, and we had an additional one made just because we found one more cross member in the rear that wasn't quite up to my standards, so I decided to go ahead and replace it. We got some flat bar to go down the middle of the trailer all the way down, so we can attach 2 sheets of plywood, let it kind of lay over the edge of that. And then we also got some square tubing, which we're going to use here in the back, where we're going to reinstall the jacks. They were originally up underneath this portion of the frame, and then they also had a little bit of strength given to them from this cross member, but it originally got warped because of its age and just being weak. So we're gonna go and replace that, and then try and provide some extra support with this square tubing in there. So let's hop into welding this cross member up here in place. I started and tacked it up in the corners so I could get it in place, and we're just gonna get to welding. Welded the top portion of this cross member in. It's not the most professional weld, but it'll for sure clean up nice. I might grind it down a little bit, but it's definitely strongly connected and welded in. We're just gonna hop on this side, weld it all the way down, do the same over here on this other side, which I just have tacked in currently, and then we'll be just about done with this one. Okay guys, before we go, we are actually going to pull a tire so I can get some measurements of the axles across. I'm trying to get some new Dexter axles ordered. We're gonna get 2 new ones with a little bit increased angle down, so it'll raise the trailer up actually once they're installed. We're gonna get new tires, rims, the whole 9 yards. So let's take a look while I pull these tires. We just finished taking some measurements. We did from where the axle bolts on the frame, bolt hole to bolt hole on the other side. We did from the backing plate on this side to backing plate on that side. We took a measurement from edge of hub to edge of hub, as well as where the tire actually, the wheel bolts to the hub. Well, I don't really know if it's technically called a hub, but you know, where it bolts on that distance as well. We're gonna give that to my friend who's a mechanic. Hopefully he can help us out and we can try and get some new axles ordered and up underneath this thing. We're gonna clean all of this little bit of rust up. We'll wire wheel all of it off, prime it using a converter, and then paint back on it a nice black. And we're going to paint the underside of the whole trailer as well black, so it'll match. Can't wait to get this thing polished up. Starting to come along nicely. And actually, I'm not sure if we're going to do it. I think right here we're going to leave it access to underneath the bed in the bedroom in the back. But we saw something in a group online where they actually turned this battery box over here to a shower head, so you can use it to wash outside of the camper, maybe wash the dog outside, something of that nature. So we are going to look into that idea some more. It'd be very easy because the kitchen's on the side, so you already have water running right there. You just got to make a faucet in that battery box, and it'll be a neat little addition to the camper. All right everybody, so it's going to be a quick upload for today. I have just about wrapped up my work for the afternoon. I'm going to flip around and show you what all we did. As I said, we did weld in 1 cross member, this brand new piece all the way across, and then I touched up 8 of these outriggers. Just wanted to strengthen the weld at the top of them. I did 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one way up there, as well as the same 4 on the other side. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you're not already following us on Instagram at Bobby Sue the Airstream, we would greatly appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you in the next upload.